Okay, everybody, we are here today. Let's go and see what happened to our paper trading. I think we are at the end of our taper trading. We are going to create let's say, another strategy, and we are going to do more accurate and less like gambling. Now, what the things we are doing is just gambling, and we are very bad at it. Let's go to Litecoin. Okay, we make a fortune of Litecoin. I think we make lots of money. Let's go and see what happened. Okay, I think we are very good. We are 10,000 in rage. Let's just end this close position. Now we are 1,000 in the 1,000 in up. Okay, we buy here and we sell here and buy here. We make lots of money. That's a good thing. But I think from here the price is going down. We create a sell another time. Let's create a sell, trade, sell, order, market, stop loss, take profit. Let's make it. We're going to put the take profit here and the stop loss here. We are going to do some modify, do some small trades. Why a small? I think it's it's a little small trade, and it's going to make more if we do it right. Well, let's just make it here, modify that. Okay, we create a small trade. Now let's go and see account history. Okay, this is a big and good one, and we also make a lots of big losses plus this big profit, but we are good now. And let's just wait to see what happened with our trade and what is going to happen to this one. Until then, if you want to see what happened to our paper trade, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you need anything, ask me in the comments. I tell you in the past, this is not a trading course. This is a journey about trading, and we are just going to trade, not anything else. Have a nice time.